What's up, chefs and chefettes? Check out these stuffed garlic cheese rolls. Oh my God.
Oh my God, it's so good.
Make it! Hey!
No hey beautiful today?
I'm not in the mood.
That's crazy.
I'm not in the mood. Hi, subscribers!
Guys, welcome for everybody who's new. Everybody else, thank you for staying tuned.
Thank you for supporting us.
Guys, we are making something so good today. I love anything bready, cheesy. So guys, today we're making garlic cheesy bread. Are you excited?
Totally.
You're not even excited.
Nah, because you threw me off with the name. We done rehearsed what we was going to call it about 5-6 times.
Oh, you're right.
And then you come with some other name. Garlic cheese bread.
Garlic cheesy rolls.
Oh, God. That's not what we were calling it.
Oh, what were we calling it?
Just jump into
No,
it.
tell them.
We talked about it for
I
like
know.
30
I
minutes.
know, like, so many things going on.
Guys, today, thank you for subscribing. Thank you for your support. Today we are making stuffed garlic cheese rolls. Now tell them the ingredients, boo.
That's exactly what I said, right, guys?
Yeah, totally. Totally.
All right, guys, so let me tell you what we're gonna need to make the dough first and foremost, all right? So we're gonna need all-purpose flour, guys. We have 5 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 cups of water, has to be warm. We have mozzarella cheese, guys. We have sugar.
Cut up in cubes.
Cut up in cubes. Guys, we prefer cut up in cubes.
So wait, hold on. Time out. Speedy Gonzalez.
Ooh, slow down.
Yeah, please.
All right.
Slow down a little bit because you speeding through this.
All right, guys. We cut it up in cubes instead of shredding it. Why? Because when you shred it, it melts faster. All right? So cut it up in cubes. It will be better.
Yes.
We have sugar. We have 4 tablespoons of sugar. We have 3 tablespoons of oil, vegetable oil. If you don't have vegetable oil, you can use olive oil. We have 3 tablespoons of dry whole milk, guys. This is the brand we're using today.
Nestle.
We have 2 tablespoons of yeast. Guys, this is the yeast we're using.
Instant.
Each packet is 1 tablespoon, FYI. All right? And we have 1 teaspoon of salt, guys. And that's all you're going to need to make this dough.
On to the next step. You guys know the ingredients. You know the measurements. So look, we're showing you what's next. So we're going to take our 2 cups of flour. Add that sucker in the bowl. Add that sucker in the bowl,
I
guys.
thought you was about to think of something. You just threw that in there.
Excuse me.
Huh? Hello.
You know,
Hello.
we got about 100 videos out, and every time I tell you the same damn thing.
Oh, don't sabotage my scene.
Don't interrupt my kiss me I scene.
Oh, I was close.
Guys, we put our 2 cups of flour in the bowl. It's our mixing bowl. Y'all paying attention? Next, we're gonna take our 4 tablespoons of sugar. Add that in the bowl. Guys, our milk powder are 3 tablespoons of milk powder. Add that in the bowl. Here we have the instant yeast. It's quicker. About 10-15 minutes, the thing rises. It rises really quick. You ever see a man take Viagra? This does rise quick. Guys, what? Stop, okay? Guys, take your 2 tablespoons of Viagra. Guys, all right, stop, okay? Take your 2 tablespoons of your instant activated yeast. If you don't have instant activated yeast and you're using baking powder, it's just gonna take a little longer, but this is quicker. So you put that in there. And now we have our 2 cups of warm, semi-hot water. And you're gonna add this gradually while you're mixing, guys. You paying attention?
Yeah.
All right, so I'm gonna add this gradually and I'm gonna mix just a little at a time, guys. Can y'all see?
We could see.
Just a little at a time.
We want to come and see you mix this really
Sure,
quick.
come close. Watch me mix. Little at a time. You wanna mix, make sure everything's combined. Don't pour all your warm water in there right away. Have patience. Guys, that is something about cooking. It's just like life. You gotta have patience. You gotta take your time. Finesse it, caress it. So that's what I'm gonna do, guys. I'm gonna gradually add my water and I'm gonna keep mixing all my ingredients till it forms one nice solid ball. And once I do that, I'm gonna show you what we do next.
Chef and Chefette, guys, it's been about 15 minutes, a little less, about like 14 minutes. We're about to see what this dough looks like, all right? You ready?
Totally. Ooh, look, the thing looking bigger.
It's risen, guys, it's risen. So we did everything we told you. We mixed it, we let it sit a little bit. We added everything we needed. We kneaded it. We mashed it up. We let it sit.
Okay.
All right? Now how huge it is.
Totally.
Now we're gonna take a little bit. This is where we need our oil. Or if you don't want to use oil, you can use olive oil or even some butter, guys.
Wait, so what you gonna do?
I'm gonna tell you guys. I just put a little bit extra flour in here. I'm going to sprinkle it right on top. Right? Just a little bit. Make sure I have some flour on my hands. Why? Because I don't want this to stick to me too much. And I'm gonna take this bad boy out. Oh my God, it feels amazing. Look at this, guys, look at this. I'm going to sprinkle some flour on my clean countertop. And I'm gonna spread this bad boy open. Y'all see this? Y'all see this?
There we see it.
Now you can take your olive oil with a little brush it on, right? Or take your butter, either or. I like butter personally.
So wait, hold up. We doing olive oil and butter?
Well, I just use a little bit of oil, but we have butter here.
That's not high cholesterol?
Don't worry about it. It's bread. It's bread.
Is this a high cholesterol meal?
It's a high cholesterol meal. Guys, and we're just going to brush this nice on all over, all right?
All right.
All right, and once you do that, you're going to roll it back in a ball, guys. Watch, look. How simple is this?
Simple.
Simple. We're going to put it in a nice ball, back in a nice ball, and then we're going to put it back in the bowl and set it aside, and then we have to make sure this don't have no lumps, guys.
But wait, why you beat?
Sorry, I saw a little lump. I saw a little lump.
Dough lives matter.
You want to make sure there's no lumps in your stuff.
What you beat?
Kneading. It's called kneading the dough.
BLM. Bread lives matter.
All right, and we're gonna form this into a nice ball back again, guys, and we're gonna set it back aside, and then we're gonna show you how to make the sauce for the top of our bowl.
Hey, chefs and chefettes! I hope you guys hit that like and subscribe button because this video right here is gonna be a banger, banger, guys. So we let our dough sit again, and now what we're gonna do here is we're gonna take our dough. We're going to separate them into little equal balls. I think we should get about maybe 8 or 9 balls. So we're gonna separate each dough into 8 individual balls. We're gonna ball them back up, and we're gonna let those sit again. We're gonna let those individual balls sit for a few minutes. While those are sitting and rising, because you know we're baking. When you're baking, they gotta rise. That's why you put the yeast, you know, the Viagra yeast, they get you rising. So once those individual rolls are rising, you're gonna prepare your glaze. So for our glaze, we're going to take our butter. I think we're using about 5 tablespoons. Is it 5 tablespoons?
Yup, you got
5 tablespoons of butter. In our butter, we're gonna add our garlic. We're gonna add our Parmesan. And you know you gotta add some parsley. You ain't got parsley, throw little spring onions in there, scallions. But that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna add that into our melted butter. We're gonna melt our butter, add those ingredients, mix it around, and then you're gonna glaze those individual rolls nice and shiny. You wanna shine it up like how your mama used to shine you up in elementary school. You know, when you was younger, you go to school, your mom shine your whole face up with Vaseline. You looking like a grease pole. So you're gonna shine those rolls up. And guess what we're gonna do? Hit that like and subscribe.
Guys, so the balls have sat and risen again.
That's what she said.
All right, so I'm gonna show you how to stuff them with the mozzarella cheese. All right, guys? Paying attention.
Stuffed balls.
Taking a ball.
Cheese ball.
I'm going to make it flat in the center, not too flat because you don't want the cheese to go through. Right? We're gonna take one of our cubes.
Mozzarella.
I like this one. This one looks perfect.
Whoopsie.
Stuffed it right there in the middle, and we're gonna fold it right across, just like this.
Wow. I'm coming in closer. I want to see those balls. Pause.
See that? How beautiful?
That looks so nice.
Y'all want to see another one?
Yes, please, Sam. You're so talented. Oh my God, where'd you
Take
learn all
another
these
ball.
skills?
Oh, Mom.
You are a ball.
My mama, my
you're
auntie.
you're a ball stuffing professional.
Yo, mama.
Little scunt.
Look. Okay. All right. So I flattened the middle, right? I pulled it, took our ball, pulled it apart. Now we're just like a little diaper. We're just folding it, tucking it, folding it, and tucking it. Each corner, guys.
So simple, guys. I hope you guys are paying attention. Make sure you hit that likes, comment, and subscribe.
Yep, and we're gonna do that for all these. And when we're done, we're gonna throw them in the oven at one. Guys, these delicious biscuits are done.
Damn thing's looking good.
Don't they look nice and good? Y'all see how big it got too?
Ooh, they big.
Yes,
You
guys.
know what they say about big things?
What they say? The big thing, the bigger there is, the better it is.
Everything in Texas is big.
So, guys, so we cooked it at 300 degrees for about 20 to 25 minutes, all right? And make sure you check it. Make sure you check it between 20 and 25 minutes so you can get the finished results like this, guys.
I'm sorry. Can you repeat that? What'd you say?
We cooked it at 300 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes. Every oven varies, so make sure you checking it as you go, all right?
Gotcha.
So it doesn't burn and it comes out looking like this.
Okay.
See how great? Guys, and we have our butter, garlic, Parmesan, glaze
Parsley glaze.
right here. And you know what we're gonna do?
Glaze it.
Glaze it. We're gonna brush it right on.